I'm a soldier, so you know I pack that heat, boy. Energy, boy, I destroy. And nigga, fuck on my team, boy. Never been formally introduced, but you can call me Uncle Elroy, cause I'm a freak, boy. Your girl be calling me over for that 12 o'clock D-boy. Then I destroy that pussy until she cannot use her feet, boy. My big cool, but do not take me for a bitch, cause if you take me there, I swear I better fuck up like C4. Blow me dumb as Eeyore. Taking more than Betty, but I need more. I goes off in that pussy like a detour. You eat hoes, I skeet hoes. She give me the brain like a teacher. You treat hoes, I leave hoes. Shorty whip it out and throw it back just like some liquor. Now pass the Dutch, cause I'm trying to get so high. It's like you gotta leave a message on my celly, cause I'm out of touch. And like I see it on the hoop, I swear I'm about to make a come up. No time to waste, cause I gotta win this race. And all my niggas all around me like a tunnel. All I see is money, I got tunnel vision. Pussy is the mission. Yellow diamond trickling down my neck, look like a nigga pissing. Goose sipping, keep a nigga spinning, but I swear I'm never slipping. I just slip in, stroke the pussy like I'm swimming. Shorty, we ain't kissing. I'm just trying to wet my pole just like I'm fishing. Damn nigga, you wishing, hoping, dreaming you could taste just how I'm living. I'm flyer than heaven, I guess you niggas sinning.